Hi, welcome to the Amoretti kitchen. Today I'm going to make a tropical citrus mousse and I'll be using Amoretti's artisan line. So we have pineapple artisan, lemon artisan, and key lime artisan. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do is to bloom the gelatin, and then we'll just set that aside. Let that sit. And then I'm going to whip 2½ cups cream to a soft peak. All right, so now I'm going to just melt sugar and the water. I don't want to boil it, I just want to melt the sugar. All right, I'm going to strain this just in case any crystallization has occurred. We don't want it in the mousse. All right, so now I'm going to add this gelatin into the hot syrup. All right, so now I can add our flavors: pineapple, the lemon, and the key lime. And now I can fold in the whipped cream, a small amount to begin with. Just slowly fold it in. All right, now I'm ready to pipe it into the glasses. All right, so I've put the mousse into a piping bag and just fill the glasses. Now you can do this ahead of time and let them sit in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve. And now I'm just going to decorate it. I have some edible flowers here. These are marigold florets, so I'm just going to sprinkle a little bit of that on here, a little bit of green on there, give it some color. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you do decide to make the recipe, please tag us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter at Amoretti. Hit the notification bell so that you never miss a recipe. Subscribe to our channel and our newsletter so you can keep up to date on all of our promos, our discounts, and of course, our giveaways. See you next time.